Once there were two groups of people, the Bunnyyarl and the Wurunnunnah. They were family and they lived in one camp. The Wurunnunnah worked very hard. They always gathered food even when there was already enough. They did this so that they would have enough later. But wait, the Bunnyyarl did not think about the future. They wasted their time playing. They never thought about getting enough food for later.
One day the Wurunnunnah said, "Come out with us. We are going to gather honey from flowers. Soon the winter winds will blow the flowers away. Then there will be no more honey to gather."
"No," said the Bunnyyarl, "we have something to do. Here." And off they went, wasting their time. They knew that the Wurunnunnah would share their honey with them.
The Wurunnunnah went alone and left the Bunnyyarl to waste their time. And the Wurunnunnah gathered the flowers and stored the honey, and never more went back to live with the Bunnyyarls, for they were tired of doing all the work.
Wurunnunnah As time went on, the Wurunnunnah were changed into little wild bees, and the lazy Bunnyyarls were changed into flies.